Hello friends, we are back with another interesting nice hairstylist video, and this is how we have made two plaits, and using the left out part of the hair, this is how we are giving such a nice beautiful lovely look over here. And this is one of the beautiful rose bun that we have created as a party wear hairstyle. Now it's time to create another hairstyle, and this is how we are trying to make the plaits. Small parts of the hair we are taking out and making it in the form of plaits. And this is how we have taken the other part, and this is how we are giving such a nice beautiful plaits look. And now we are trying to roll it further and create this beautiful another flowery look bun over here. And taking the parts of the hair, this is how we have given such a beautiful flowery bun look. Now it's time to create another hairstyle, and this is how we have made a plait, and we are rolling it in such a way so that we can make another flowery look over here. And using these small plaits that we have made, this is how we have made such a lovely hairstyle. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are trying to give this nice plaits look and making bun. Now we are back with different hairstyle, and this is how we will try to make the plaits around it, taking out the parts of the hair. This is how we are giving this nice plaits look, and one by one after taking out the hair, this is how we are giving beautiful styles and making a beautiful party bun. Now we have some different hairstyle for this nice silky hair, and this is how we are trying to take the parts of the hair and making something like this nice sweet heart patterns. Now making the plaits and rolling around it, this is how we have made a bun. Now we'll try some other hairstyle, and this is how we have taken the parts of the hair and making these plaits and taking out the hair beautifully. This is another beautiful hairstyle. Now we have made two plaits from the front part till the end, and we are taking the parts of the hair one by one, trying to tie it to these plaits. Now we'll take this hair, and this is how we have made such a cute bun on top, and we have given this beautiful plaits. Here we will make one more different hairstyle, and this is how we are giving this beautiful looks here, so that we will cover it till the end in such a way so that we can get this nice plaits look. And similar patterns we are following till the end, and we have made such a beautiful plaits over here and decorated it. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are trying to fold the hair one by one in such a way so that we can get this nice patterns over here, and this is a nice casual office wear look. Now we will try one more hairstyle, and this is how we have given such a beautiful plaits look, and we are taking one by one all and making it. Now we have tied the nice half pony and made this beautiful heart shape hairstyle over here, and this is how we are following the similar patterns throughout and making this nice beautiful bun that we have created.